Okay, video of a little setup for Dave's little experimental uh, bird, I guess we'll call it. Um, Anyways, here's a quick overview. There's the connections, and I'll explain what all this is here in just a second. There's an oscilloscope, the radio, and over here is going to be, let me pop this up, a serial plotter that shows, okay, it's going to show something that's going on here on the board in just a second. But let's just go through this in more detail. There's the 12 volts on a switch, power meter, over here to the ESC motor, receiver bound to this Taranis radio. And here's the Arduino. It's a itsy bitsy 8-bit, running at 16 megahertz. And that probe is hooked up to the receiver at the signal for the motor. So what the receiver thinks this thing is doing right here. Okay, and then right here is a switch. That's our supposed, our proximity switch. It's normally open, and it gets yanked to 5 volts with a little pull-up resistor. Or do I have a pull down? I think it's a pull down. I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, I think that's how I have it. Yes, I have it on 5 volts here, so I have it pulled. I have it pulled down. Okay, so that's kind of the basic setup. And then I've got the code coded in here so that the pin, this black pin here, this one here, that feeds the ESC. So you take this orange wire, gets through here, and it gets some program. It goes through the program, and here's the output to the actual motor, to the ESC. And so as you can see, like right now, it's like if I look here at the PWM of the output, and there's full, and there's off, and you can see even at like 10%. So the full scale is a total 1,000 microseconds. So it goes from 1,000 to 2,000. And so that's that. And then so anyway, and then so what you wanted was, you said you wanted something that the motor would go like normal. And then here's the proximity switch. Okay, I'm going to turn it on now. It's closed. Okay, and now you can hear the motor. When I get this thing down to about 20%, cuts off. So there's a dead band right in there, like. So while that proximity switch is killed or closed, and then it starts picking back up again. So it operates like normal, just like your card says, and then it drops down to 0. That's it, buddy.